What is up, baby? आज के वीडियो में I'm going to talk about why, as a young guy, if you are in your late teens and early 20s, self-isolation is very important for a certain period of time. This is coming from personal experience because I delayed self-isolation for a very long period of time. तो मेरी पूरी जिंदगी I had no friends, and the reason why I had less friends is because I was a fat kid and I was cringy as well. So when you are fat and you are cringy or you have a personality which is not the so-called cool fitting in personality, होता ये है कि लोगों को बहुत cringe लगता है. सेम थिंग अगर मैं अभी क्रिंज वाले हरकतें करूं, आई लुक लाइक अ कूल पर्सन और आई लुक लाइक अ पर्सन हु इज कंटेंट विद हिमसेल्फ बिकॉज आई एम जैक्ड. बट मुझे ऑलवेज चाहिए था, आई ऑलवेज वांटेड दैट. आई यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज सी वेब सीरीज एंड शिट. 13 रीजंस व्हाई स्पेशली नेटफ्लिक्स पे देख के आई वाज लाइक, यू नो, ये फ्रेंड ग्रुप एंड शिट, आई वांट दैट फ्रेंड ग्रुप. व्हाट द फक एम आई डूइंग विद माय लाइफ एंड शिट. उसके बाद आई वेंट टू द जिम, आई बिल्ट मसल एंड थोड़ा मैंने अपने आप को इस लेवल तक आई बॉट माई सेल्फ वेयर आई वाज समवन हु पीपल वुड वांट टू बी फ्रेंड्स विद. सो व्हेन आई वेंट टू कॉलेज आई वाज दिस जैक्ड पर्सन एंड बैक देन इन 2022 द जिम वाज जस्ट लाइक पॉपिंग ऑफ. लाइक 18 ईयर ओल्ड तब के टाइम पे बिल्ट होना इट वाज लाइक अ वेरी बिग थिंग. द फर्स्ट टाइम मुझे इतना अटेंशन बाहर से मिल रहा था. पीपल आर कमिंग अप टू मी इन सर्टेन कन्वर्सेशंस विद मी, जो कि मेरे पास कभी ऑप्शन था ही नहीं उस चीज का. बट द पीपल हु वर कमिंग टू मी टॉकिंग टू मी वर नॉट द काइंड ऑफ पीपल whom I wanted to be friends with, like low quality people. ये तो मैं मोटा रह के भी I would have been friends with them. I wanted to be friends with the cool people, जिनके ग्रुप में हॉट लड़कियां, they go to house parties, cool lifestyle जीने वाले लोग. I used to see them every day. But again, I was too shy. I had zero social skills कि मैं interact कर सकूं उनके साथ and I would get into their friend group and shit. एक दिन मैंने decide कर लिया पूरा semester के बाद कि you know this semester also in college I have spent with चूतिया people. What I'll do right now is I will take initiative and I will go and talk to them. तो मैंने कैसे ना कैसे करके अपने guts जमा के I went and initiated conversations and somehow bro I got into their friend group. टिकना उस friend group में was actually I thought was hard. It was easy only but I was like जो मुझे मिला है ना I don't want to lose it. So I was just acting weird. I would not have a personality of my own. Everything and anything that I would do in that scenario उनसे phone पे बात करते वक्त, WhatsApp message करते वक्त, I would try to act like them or I would try to please them and I wouldn't do anything that would repel them a little bit also. And my whole and sole purpose अभी मेरा हो गया था कि I have to be with these people and I have to do everything ताकि ये मुझसे impress हो और मेरे से और close हो और मेरे best friends बन सके because I do not want to lose what I have here. बहुत महीनों तक ये चला and I was having fun. Okay, ऊपर से. But एक point के बाद ना hits you because I was like so scared to be lonely क्योंकि मेरी सारी जिंदगी में alone था. I want to be alone. Like मुझे अकेला नहीं रहना था and एक पॉइंट तक ये हो गया था कि आई वॉज नॉट इवन ट्रीटेड प्रॉपरली बिकॉज दे लॉस्ट रिस्पेक्ट फॉर मी. सबकॉन्शियसली उनको पता चल गया कि कोई चूतिया है, यू नो, ही इज ट्राइंग टू इम्प्रेस अस एंड दे डिडंट इवन कंसीडर मी एज इंपॉर्टेंट एज अदर पीपल. एंड एक दिन आई वाज जस्ट सिटिंग देयर, सारे ग्रुप में एवरीवन वाज देयर, ओके, everyone were having fun and I'm sitting in between like 10-15 people and I zoned out and I was like, bro, what the fuck is this shit? Surrounded रह के भी I am feeling lonely, जो कि मैं स्कूल में फील करता था. Then I realized कि I do not want to be in this anymore. सबको मैंने धीरे धीरे डिस्टेंस करना चालू कर दिया. I started putting out my point of views. I started standing out, started telling that fuck you dude, if you don't agree with me just shut the fuck up. I started standing up for myself like properly and these people didn't like that. I distanced myself from them and started asking me कि you know why are you distancing yourself? I'm like, I'm not doing anything bro, I'm just being myself. Like तुम्हें 24/7 तेरे रील को रिप्लाई क्यों करूं मैं? ये एक रीजन था, ठीक है, why my mental health was fucked up and why I actually needed self isolation because I had lost myself in this process. And जैसे ही I came out of this friend group and then began the worst mental health of my life. 2023 के एंड में I got into a relationship and then मेरी सारी दुनिया relationship के around revolve करना चालू कर दिया. My whole life revolved around that relationship. I again lost my personality. Like literally I had zero male friends. Like my closest friend I also kind of distanced myself from him and इसी वजह से then I did not realize at the present moment but my mental health was kind of getting affected because I had no mission, I had no purpose and my whole and soul life was revolving around this girl. अभी ये भी हो रहा था. Then I kind of started resenting the relationship and मेरे college की routine was fucked. I had no time for myself at all and घर पे भी you know all that chick and my mind मुझे free time to figure out who I am, what my hobbies are and what I like doing and even and I was not even doing what I liked doing. I was like in this constant state of mental battle in my head. इस वजह से I had gotten severe anxiety issues. 24/7 I started staying in fight or flight mode. ये लड़का मुझे अटैक कर देगा. I used to be scared to go to college because I used to think that I would get attacked. People will come and they would attack me and this stemmed from my old childhood this thing as well. क्योंकि बचपन में जब मैं मोटा था I used to get bullied and shit. So वो उस चीज का सारा ट्रॉमा वामा मिलके you know started emerging out of nowhere. क्योंकि I didn't even let myself heal properly by staying alone. Instead of actually taking time off from everything, I started adding things. I thought that adding in boxing would help me. Again, boxing was not something which I enjoyed doing. मैंने ये boxing add की, I'll tell you. I was someone who used to go to the gym for a long period of time, and then I fell off. सारी body मेरी waist में चले गई. And the people who started after me, they had a better physique. When someone would ask me how many years I'm going to the gym for, if I would tell 5 years, I would be like, bro, what the fuck, like your physique is shit for that. So just because that should not happen, I joined boxing ताकि मैं बोल सकूं कि I'm a hybrid athlete, कि मैं boxing and weightlifting दोनों कर रहा हूं. Weightlifting has taken a back seat. अभी मैंने वो भी ऐड किया. उसके बाद I didn't feel fulfilled. My anxiety didn't go. I thought if I learn how to fight also, my anxiety would go कि मैं attack जो मुझे लोग करेंगे, I would not have that fear and shit. But वो और बढ़ रहा था. And I didn't again go to the root cause of it. What did I do? I added one more thing. I started hanging around with rowdy people in my college. जो लोग जो गुंडागर्दी करते हैं, started hanging around with them because I thought if I hang around with them, I wouldn't be lonely. First thing first, I will be seen with the group and nothing will happen to me. I adopted their personality, the way I dressed, the way I carried myself out, the way I used to talk. उसको मार देंगे, चलो ये कर देंगे. It was not me. 2023, 2024, ये 2 साल I never allowed myself to be myself. अपने आप को मैंने फ्री टाइम दिया ही नहीं कि अपनी ओरिजिनल पर्सनालिटी को मैं बाहर ला सकूं and actually do something that I like. And I would always do everything and anything ताकि मैं लोगों को impress कर सकूं या फिर एक अलग personality adopt कर सकूं. To reduce my anxiety and to improve my mental health, I would not remove things from my life. Like I should have broken up with that girlfriend long time ago. I should have not been with these friends. I should have not joined boxing. I should have just taken time off and had become comfortable with being alone. But क्योंकि मेरे दिमाग में इतना था कि लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे if I'm alone and this and that and shit, कि मेरे पुरानी फ्रेंड ग्रुप मुझे देखेगी अकेला तो बोलेंगे देखो ये वो करके चला गया, वो अभी अकेला फिर रहा है and all that. I had too much, bro. एक point तक हुआ December 2024 तक it went till here. First thing I did was I broke up with that girl. Now that time जो मैं इतना already suffering with anxiety and boxing and identity issues and mental health problems and life stress कि मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ अपने life के साथ, I'm already 20, what the fuck should I do, इस सारी चीज़ों के साथ again लड़की के रोना, तू टाइम नहीं दे रहा, तू ये नहीं कर रहा, तू वो नहीं कर रहा and तू चूतिया and like bro, I was like done with that shit. वो निकालते ही मैंने ना जो फ्री टाइम मिला, बोझ हट गया टाइप ऑफ फीलिंग आई गॉट. लाइक आई एम रिलीव्ड ब्रो. वो फीलिंग आते ही बहुत सी चीजें ना धीरे धीरे मेरे दिमाग में आना चालू हुआ जो कि मुझे अपने बारे में पसंद है. दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई काइंड ऑफ रियलाइज आफ्टर द ब्रेक. आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग द थिंग्स, एटलीस्ट स्टार्टेड फिगरिंग आउट द थिंग्स दैट आई एक्चुअली लाइक डूइंग. आई स्टार्टेड हैविंग कन्वर्सेशंस विद माय सेल्फ. ऑलरेडी 60% ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम ब्रेकअप के बाद हो गया मेरा, क्योंकि दैट रिलेशनशिप वाज गेटिंग फक्ड. स्टार्ट गेटिंग लाइक रिजेंट कर रहा था मैं इस रिलेशनशिप को. बट अगेन आई डिड नॉट वांट टू बी अलोन. सेकंड थिंग, आई रिमूव्ड बॉक्सिंग फ्रॉम माय लाइफ. आई वाज लाइक फक बॉक्सिंग, मुझे बॉक्सिंग पसंद नहीं है. What do I like? I like going to the gym and building muscle. बॉक्सिंग निकाली, जिम जाके I started focusing on body building, trying to get lean properly. वो जर्नी में था. कॉलेज के सारे जो भी राउडी दोस्त थे, blocked every single person. सेल्फ आइसोलेटेड. एंड उस पीरियड ऑफ सेल्फ आइसोलेशन में आई इम्प्रूव्ड अ लॉट, जो कि मैं 2 साल तक इम्प्रूव नहीं किया ना. मैंने वो क्रैश कोर्स ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट आई डिड दैट इन 5 महीने तक. दैट सेल्फ आइसोलेशन का पीरियड जो था ना, बहुत मजा आया मुझे. अपने आप के साथ कंटेंट हो गया था. बट यू हैव टू सेल्फ आइसोलेट इफ यू डू नॉट नो हु यू आर. Instead of adding things in your life, remove things and self-isolate. Sit back and think ki what do I like? What do I want to do? And it take time off, 6-7 months off from people. Don't care about what other people will think about you, because उस self-isolation के period में ना, you will reach a certain level of mental state that you will not care about other people at all. Once you start being comfortable with yourself, once you start enjoying your own company, it is the best thing, because then you won't stop caring about any other person. Late start हुई थोड़ी मेरी, but that is why I am telling you कि तुम्हारी late start ना हो इस चीज में.